You're managing subscriptions with Recharge, but working smarter with Claude MCP. Neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At MESA, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, when a Recharge payment fails, Claude analyzes the customer and generates a personalized win-back email. Or when a product is created in Recharge, Claude writes optimized titles and descriptions. Or even, when a Recharge charge milestone is hit, Claude crafts a personalized loyalty message. MESA has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between Recharge and Claude, make it happen with MESA. Get started today for free.